Happy morning! Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Monday and yes, happy morning. Gising, gising. It's Monday na. And yes, happy morning. So, it's a new week. Start of the new week. And yes, kailangan natin maging happy para happy ang buhay at maraming blessings na darating. And nakakatuwa lang kasi it makes me happy din dahil they are really good people, no? Kasi syempre ako dito naglalakad and ano kasi to, yung daanan ng mga motor, and ito is papasok dun sa isang barangay. So syempre pag alam mo yun, pag makita ka nila naglakad ka, baka wala kang pamasahe or what, pero sabi niya sakay ka, akala niya siguro pauwi ako doon sa barangay na yun, and nag-offer siguro na pasakayin, but sabi exercise, siguro hindi niya ako nakikita lagi dito pag morning naglalakad. So it makes me happy. There are really good people in the world, no? So I guess yun lang, that one act na ginawa ni Kuya makes me happy, makes me grateful for the life na there are a lot of good things in this world, good people, good things, and this good environment. I mean, ano, looking at it, the nature. So thank you, Lord. And yes, just be happy. Kasi by being happy, it makes your soul happy. If your soul is happy, then it makes things better, 'di ba? Parang yun lang talaga. Just be happy. Ayun lang. Good luck for today and for this new week. Annyeong, Mama, God bless.